Let's turn your ideas into a thriving print-on-demand business, starting right now with Printify. First, head to Printify.com and create your free account, which takes less than a minute to set up and verify. Once inside your dashboard, click Add New Product to explore the catalog of over 900 items you can sell. For beginners, a classic like a unisex t-shirt is a perfect start. Select your product. Then choose a specific style and color from the available options. Now for the creative part, upload your own design file. Then use the editor to position, resize, and preview it directly on the product. This next step is crucial. Select your print provider. Printify partners with facilities worldwide. Choose one that offers the best balance of price and shipping time for your region. Finally, add a compelling title and description. Then set your profit by adjusting the selling price. When you're happy, click Publish to push your product to your connected store. When an order comes in, Printify notifies you, handles the printing and shipping automatically, and deposits your profit directly into your account. Your journey starts now.